Hey, this is Bishal Sarkar, your public speaking expert, and this video I want to talk to you about giving. Give, give, give. Why? Because the more you give, the more you live. Okay, I mean, if you have ever come to one of my boot camps, you know what I'm talking about, which is we actually donate money to people so that more people can actually live better lives, and we do it without, any help of any NGO. We do it on our own. We want to help more people, give money, and you know what I'm talking about. But anyways, you don't have to come to my boot camp to give money to people. I mean, in fact, when you come to the boot camp, you don't give the money. I give the money to you so you can give to other people. Even if you never meet me, give something. Maybe your money, maybe your time. You can think I don't have a lot of money. When I am, multi-millionaire, then I'll give. The thing is, when you have 100 rupees and you can't give 1 rupee, then when you become a millionaire, you cannot give 1,000 rupees. Start small, think big, and act now. Give something. Maybe give somebody a little bit of your time. Maybe give somebody a little bit of your help. Maybe some advice. Maybe a little bit of coaching. Maybe you can give somebody your compliments. Just say something good about them, to them. Maybe via text, maybe via phone call. Very easy thing. Just give, give, give. Because why? One of the things that my parents taught me is that, Bishal, what you get is what you forget, but what you give, you truly live. Live your life. Because Tony Robbins says the secret to living is giving. The more you give, the more you live. Give something. Give a comment. Give somebody appreciation. Give somebody money. Give somebody a pat on the back. Makes a lot of things, man. When I was a speaker in the beginning, if somebody came to me and said, Bishal, I loved your speech, that was the world to me. That was heaven for me. So you never know what your compliment can do for people. So just do something for people. Give, give, give. My name is Bishal Sarkar, always reminding you, the more you give, the more you live. Take care.